Hey folks, this is the Arris window by Provia. It is a vinyl window. The main difference with this vinyl window versus most any other vinyl window on the market is this has an actual real wood interior. This is real wood, it's not a faux wood, it's not a laminate that's glued onto the window. This is a real wood interior. So this is one of the things that separates this windows from other vinyl windows on the market. Most wood windows on the exterior will have some kind of aluminum cladding, but this one is vinyl, so you don't have to worry about any kind of rot or problems with that. Another feature that separates this window from other vinyl windows on the market is it is made by Provia, which is known as a wonderful door manufacturer, and they can do all kinds of specialty glass in their windows. So that's something unique that most manufacturers of windows don't have that option. It also has a unique way to fold the window in to clean it. A lot of windows have pull tabs on the top of the bar. This particular window, you just push the locks and it folds in so you can clean it from the inside. That's another unique feature of the Provia Arris window. Also, the balances are different. Typical windows use a constant force balance system, which works like a tape measure to counterweight the sashes when they go up and down. This window actually has a block and tackle balance system. So this is the Provia's front. This is the back of the window, full screen with the frame. It's got a beveled frame here, fusion welded in the corners, and of course you have a lot of exterior color options as well. And that's the Arris window by Provia. This is the Vistamark window. It is a vinyl window, and I want to tell you just kind of what separates it from all the other vinyl windows on the market. Number one, as you can see, this is a black window. When it comes to vinyl windows, black is very rare that manufacturers can do their vinyl windows in black. So this is one of the few manufacturers that has no problem at all doing a black interior and a black exterior for the window. A couple things I like about this window: it does have a nice pronounced lift rail here in the middle. The lock is super smooth, it opens with ease, and the window itself glides really smoothly. This window does have recessed tilt latches here where you squeeze them in and you can fold the window in for easy cleaning, but it is a single hung window and not a double hung window, and what that means is the top does not drop down. So that is one of the limitations of this window. It comes only in casements or single hung. Another neat feature for the window is when this window leaves the manufacturer's facility and it goes to your house, it's actually going to have a protective layer of film on the glass that keeps the windows from being dirty. So as soon as the installation is done, and everybody knows installations can be dusty and dirty, they're gonna peel that off and the glass is brand new like it left the factory with no dust on it. So it's a wonderful thing. All the windows come this way. So it's another nice feature for the Vistamark window. Also, you know, if I didn't mention, it is locally. It's a local company. They can do grids in the glass, they can do grids on top of the glass. You can see it's got a nice profile, not a very pronounced bevel, which is also another nice feature. Some folks like more of a flat look to the window. So this is definitely one of those types of windows. So that's the Vistamark window. This is a vinyl window from Simonton. Okay, Simonton is one of those well-known companies that's been around for years. I'm going to tell you a little bit about what makes this different than other vinyl windows, what we like about it, and also some of the things we might not like. First of all, visually, it's a little bit thicker of a frame than a normal vinyl window, so it's kind of on the bigger side when it comes to the thickness of the sashes and the thickness of the frames. Now, that's not really an issue unless you're really worried about losing glass space if you're switching out a builder grade window to this window. I'll tell you what we do like: very smooth operation. This window is so easy to open and close. It has really nice balance system. It does have some tilt latches here and some security ventilation features as well. So it kind of stops the window when you're opening it. It is a double hung window, so it does open from the top and from the bottom. And this window is known to leave the factory with a 98% perfection rate. Like, there's very rare that a window leaves the factory and it's not in working order. There's something wrong with it, which is kind of the way every window should be. When it comes to the back of the window, you've got a floating screen to help with that double hung feature. So if you open the top, you can pull the screen to the top. But beautiful window, great company, and that's the Simonton window. Okay, this is a wood window from Marvin. Marvin is one of the big three players in the window space. You know, Pella, Anderson, Marvin. Marvin's been around for a long time, very big company. This window is for all of the folks out there who like to spend money. Okay, you get a lot of different species of wood in this window. It has some fancy features on it as well. The locking mechanism is very unique. It locks into place for you to open and close the windows. And a nice thing about this window is it doesn't have the tilt-in latches on the rail here. You actually just push the lock down and the window folds in for easy cleaning. Now, this is a wood window, but it's what's called an aluminum clad wood window. Most companies nowadays don't leave the wood species on the outside without covering it with some kind of weather barrier. In this case, it's gonna be aluminum. I'll show you what that looks like. This is the exterior of the window. Great thing about the aluminum cladding is it comes in a variety of colors. There's virtually no limitation on what color you can get on the outside of the window, and it makes the window look very crisp, very clean, very smooth. Beautiful window. Definitely on the upper end of the price though. Great window from Marvin. This is a wood window from Quaker. Quaker is another good company, large company, growing company. You know, the difference between this window and other wood windows is we see a lot of new construction that goes on with this type of window. It is aluminum cladded on the outside. This is a pine interior, which is going to be your most economical wood interior. It has some nice hardware options. The window itself does tilt in for easy cleaning, but it does have the tilt latches on here, unlike the Marvin window where the tilt latches are hidden. So you can squeeze it in, fold the window in for easy cleaning, close it when you're done. Nice window, a lot of contractors use it, a lot of new construction folks. And it's got the aluminum cladding on the back. Once again, comes in a variety of colors, and it makes it look very clean on the outside and protects it from any kind of weather damage. So this is the aluminum clad wood window from Quaker. Okay, this is the Sunrise vinyl window. The main differences between this vinyl window and other vinyl windows, quite frankly, in my opinion, this is one of the best looking vinyl windows on the market. It's got very thin profile for the sashes, so you get the maximum amount of viewing space, maximum amount of glass. Another great selling feature for this window is the glass package. It's the exact same glass package that Anderson's top of the line window has, and so at a fraction of the price. Very smooth operating window, looks really good. It has the tilt latches on the top, so you can fold it in. Another difference on this window, it has these vent latches as well, and it is double hung, so you can open it from the top and bottom. Great looking window. And on the outside, when it comes to the outside of the window, one of the things unique about this manufacturer is the amount of color choices that you can get for the exterior of your windows. It's far greater than most of the vinyl window manufacturers out there. Floating half screen as well, operates and glides very smoothly. Great window. It's going to be kind of closer to your top of the line price for a vinyl window, but it's absolutely beautiful. Okay, this is a fiberglass window from Colby. It's the Forgent series. Now, who is a customer for the fiberglass window? This is a customer who may not want vinyl. They want something a little bit stronger in their frames. So a fiberglass window is a good pick for those folks, or folks who don't want to deal with wood or have to worry about that kind of stuff. So fiberglass is known for being able to come in a variety of colors, being very, very strong. And this is a casement window. So this is a lock for the casement, and then there's the crank, and the window literally just cranks open. You get a nice, almost 90-degree opening, so you can clean the window from inside or outside, and it's a nice egress to be able to get out in case there's a fire or a need to get out. Okay, this is the exterior for the Colby window. Just wanted to let you know what it looks like from the outside. Very beautiful window, very sleek, looks very modern and nice. This is going to be on your upper end of as far as costs go for replacement windows. It's also a new construction window. So you can see with these nailing flanges, that's what that they're all about. But that's the Colby window. So this is the Safe Haven window by SunSmart Windows and Doors, okay? And this is one of the windows that we use for our marketing program. It's an amazing window, great features. One of the neat features about this window is it comes in black exterior and black interior colors. It has great hardware, very easy to use, very smooth operation up and down. It's a double hung window. This window only comes in double hung. And one of the great features about it is the amazing security glass option that you have with this window. Security glass is going to be the safest type of glass. It's also going to be the quietest type of glass, and it's going to give you great energy efficiency, even better than triple pane windows. So this is what it looks like on the inside. This is what it looks like on the outside. Great bevels here on the side, a floating screen as well. For the double hung window, that's a good feature to have. And once again, it comes in a variety of really modern colors and contemporary colors. So it's a great window and we really like it, and we're very pleased with this window. Okay, this is a vinyl window from Allside. Allside is a very large vinyl window manufacturer that's been in business for decades. One of the unique things about this window versus other vinyl windows is it does have one of the thinnest profiles as far as vinyl goes on the side frames and on the sashes to give you the maximum amount of viewing space that you can get. It does have nice lift rails on the bottom and top sash because it is a double hung window. Also comes in single hung encasement, and it has a relatively smooth operation. It also has a little lip inside that kind of locks the window down when it's closed to give you a better seal in case inclement weather. It comes in a variety of colors, and it's also backed up with a factory installation. So it's a great window, has a great warranty on it from the factory that covers everything on the window for a lifetime, which is nice that the factory stands behind accidental glass breakage, seal failure, anything with the locks, the balances for the lifetime of the window, and that's an amazing warranty. So this is one of the things that separates this window from all other windows, and that's the vinyl window from Allside. So this is a vinyl window by BMP. There's a few things that make this window unique on the market. Number one, they don this sticker for Made in America, which is very difficult to get. That means every single piece on this window, you know, down to the screws, down to the weather stripping, is all made in America. So it has to go through, you know, a lot of qualifications and rigorous testing to be able to sport that sticker. Energy Star rated. This is a great looking window. Love the locks, nice and smooth. It does have the tilt latches as well on top of the meeting rail here, so you can fold it in for easy cleaning. This is a single hung window, but it also comes in double hung. This is going to be one of your more affordable vinyl windows on the market. It's a great looking window. It has a great window warranty, and one of the big differences between the single hung and the double hung, the single hung is going to have a little bit thicker of a rail here on the outside of the window. So that's one of the, I'd say maybe one of the downsides of this window. The double hung doesn't. The double hung is much thinner here, but this is a great window for your dollar. It's a great value.